The best time to plant grass in Georgia. The warm, temperate climate of Georgia comprises both a cool fall to spring period and a profoundly hot and humid summer. Many grass types are suitable for a Georgia lawn, each with pros and cons based on your soil and maintenance needs. Types. In northern Georgia, tall fescue grass, a cool season type, makes an acceptable lawn grass. Elsewhere, warm season grasses such as zoysia grass dominate, with St. Augustine grass, centipede grass and Bermuda grass becoming more widespread farther south. Time frame. The best time for sowing fescue to establish a new lawn is September and October. It may be overseeded on warm season grass lawns to provide greenness during winter when warm season grass is dormant and brown. Common Bermuda grass is sown from seed in May when temperatures are warm. Considerations. Most warm season grasses are grown from sprigs, plugs or cut side rather than seed. Warm season grasses are most quickly established in May and June when air and soil temperatures are warm and seasonal rain is abundant.